2 tablespoons a day can make or break your diabetes control. Picture this. You are a car chugging along on the highway of life. Your fuel for this journey is glucose, a fancy science word for sugar. Now, normally, your body is pretty good at processing glucose, like a well-oiled machine. But like any good engine, you can get bogged down and start to sputter if you constantly pump in the wrong kind of fuel. That is where extra virgin olive oil comes in. It's like a mechanic for your body, helping to reduce inflammation, the clogged arteries, and the heart disease. But did you know that it can also help with your blood sugar levels? Yes, folks, that's right. Those processed, refined foods that are supposed to be delicious are actually doing a number on our blood sugars, leading to insulin resistance, pre-diabetes, and eventually full-blown diabetes. Now, it's not the only cause for diabetes, but it's one of the causes, right? Listen up. There are some solutions, and one delicious solution for insulin resistance is extra virgin olive oil. I'll tell you a few good things about olive oil. You heard me right. This liquid gold can be a lifesaver for your body. It turns out that most diseases stem from a poor diet of processed, refined junk foods and excessive sugars. All that junk can mess with our pancreas, causing insulin resistance and destroying our muscles and liver. The end result? A whole bunch of glucose that cannot get stored or burned, just sitting around, causing inflammation and plaque buildup in your body. Olive oil has been proven to lower glucose levels, which in turn helps control insulin resistance and diabetes. And get this, there are several bioactive ingredients in extra virgin olive oil that are basically superheroes when it comes to preventing inflammation and oxidation in the body. We are talking about monounsaturated fatty acids, right? And key biophenols like allopurinol and hydroxytyrosol. Who knew the olive oil could be so cool, right? But seriously, research studies have shown that eating a diet rich in olive oil can help prevent diabetes by reducing glucose levels and those pesky low-density lipoproteins and triglycerides, right? They are bad for you. The next time you are cooking up a storm in the kitchen, throw some extra virgin olive oil in the mix and give your body a fighting chance against diabetes, all right? Wait, I have more to say, don't go anywhere. For those who suffer from diabetes, did you know that the cardiovascular issues and high cholesterol are super common concern due to excess sugars and glucose found in their bloodstreams? It makes the LDL stick to your blood vessels, right? But when it comes to insulin resistance and diabetes, pre-diabetes, there is one common denominator that ties them all together, and that is too much sugar. The excess glucose in our bloodstream leads to oxidative stress, which causes our LDL to become unstable and start sticking to the walls of our blood vessels. Now, this inflammation triggers a response from our white blood cells, leading to a buildup of plaque, which can ultimately restrict blood flow to our vital organs. This can lead to serious health complications, including heart attacks, strokes, God forbid, and circulation problems. It could be in your extremities or your eyes or your kidneys. So to combat these issues, taking control of our blood sugar intake and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial. But extra virgin olive oil is one potential solution that can help reduce that inflammation and mitigate the risks associated with these conditions. Despite this, there is hope for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels, right? Because of the extra virgin olive oil benefits, the polyphenols in there, the antioxidants, anti-inflammatory substances. They can help maintain normal glucose levels, relieve stress on the pancreas, and these monounsaturated fatty acids found in the olive oil slow down the digestion, preventing glucose levels from skyrocketing and causing sometimes even fatigue after meals. So if you're looking for a tasty way to manage diabetes, extra virgin olive oil may just be the perfect solution. Now, many scientific studies indicate that consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily can help slow down the digestion and regulate sugar levels more effectively. Now, how do you incorporate the olive oil, right? You can put it in your meals, right? To your smoothies, or even take it alone, just chuck it down. Now, substituting unhealthy fats with good fats like the olive oil is a crucial step towards a healthier lifestyle. Fortunately, incorporating this oil into your meals is fairly easy. Now, there are a wealth of ideas out there that to help you get started. One such idea could be a mix of a splash of this cold pressed extra virgin olive oil into salad dressings or marinade for added depth and flavor. You could also use that olive oil as a healthy alternative to other types of oils when sauteing vegetables, for example. Additionally, drizzling some cold pressed extra virgin olive oil over roasted vegetables or cooked meats can actually bring out their natural flavors while adding some much needed healthy fats to your diet. But whatever your preferences, there are plenty of ways to enjoy extra virgin olive oil as a part of balanced and diabetes-friendly diet. Well, thanks for watching. Why settle for store-bought salad dressing when you could whip up your own vinaigrette with a drizzle of olive oil, right? Not only is it an easy way to impress your friends and family, but it is also a healthier option. So go ahead and experiment with different recipes using some cooking staple, in this case, olive oil. Well, thanks for tuning in and happy cooking. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.